Now, sometimes when we bring data into Power Query, it isn't populated the way we want it to be populated. Let's go and open up a new source. On the Home tab to the far right, I'll go for New Source, and it's a file, and it's an Excel file. In my list of files here, let me just find, I would like to bring in the Textiles December 2021 file, so I click Import. I want to bring in Sheet 1, so I choose Sheet 1 in the Navigator, and I choose OK. What I find is there are a lot of columns with just null in it, and they need to be sorted out. First of all, let's right-click Sheet 1 and let's rename this query Textiles 2021. Then what I'd like to do is I'd like to rename this column, so I click column 1 and I press F2, State. This column here, if I click it and then press F2, I can call it Channel. And this column here, I'm going to press F2 and call it Category. So I've renamed my columns. Now I need to sort out the filling of these empty or null fields. WA is Washington, and that should be filled all the way down here until it hits Oregon, which should be filled all the way down here until it hits California. So we fill in these states. Channel should say retail until it hits wholesale, and then wholesale until it hits resale, and so on and so forth. Let's start with state, and on the Transform tab, I'd like to hit the Fill button. And I want to fill down. Automatically, it just sorts the data out. I now have Washington all the way down until it hits Oregon, and Oregon filled in until it hits California. If I now click Channel and I choose Fill Down, all the channels will be sorted out. And if I go to Category and hit Fill Down, I've now filled down and created complete records, which will make it a lot easier to produce the reports and the results I want.